Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you how you can factory reset your Soundcore Anker Q11i headphones. There could be multiple reasons why someone would want to do that. It's an easy fix when you're having issues like, connectivity issues or maybe sound distortion or maybe some other issue like that. So a simple factory reset could help solve your problem. So now let's get into how you can actually factory reset your device. You do not need any app for this. It's pretty easy and straightforward. You just need to use these buttons right here and you will be good to go. So let's go ahead and do that. So the first step would be to to power them on. All right. So let's go ahead and hold the power button to turn them on. Once you see this light, this flashing blue light, that means they are now turned on and they are in pairing mode. So now comes the next step of factory resetting them. All right. So in order to do that, what you're going to do is that you've got to hold the power icon, this power button right here, and this plus icon. You've got to hold both of these together until you see a red light over here. Once you see the red light, that means you have successfully factory reset them. All right, so we're going to go ahead and do that now. Remember, it's the power button and the plus icon, not this. Forget about this for now, okay? Just these two. Plus icon and the power button. Let's hold them together now. You've got to hold them for like 5 seconds, okay? Let's go ahead and do it. There, you see this red light over here? That means you have successfully factory reset them. And now hopefully whatever issue you were facing should be fixed. If not, then sorry, you might have to take it to a technician. So that's all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.